Subtracting decimals, we did the adding for today. We're not, some of us didn't get through all of it, so we'll take a look at the subtracting. Number 3, and we'll just use some examples from your sheet. 3.4 minus 0.972. Okay? So as we look at this, first thing I want to make sure when I subtract decimals is I want to make sure that they're all what? Lined up. We will have to do what we did for today and estimate. So if I were to round 3.4 to the nearest whole, we'd get 3. And 0.9 to the nearest whole, we'd get 1. So I'm expecting to get something in the neighborhood of 2. You might want to put this above so we don't forget to do that again, because we're going to need that estimate today. Yes, ma'am. No, you still round to the nearest whole. It'll always, even this, like when you look at this one, you say, well, it doesn't have a hole, but it's still rounded to 1. Even if this were like a 4, what would it round to? 0, then just do the work with 0. Okay? All right, let's follow the same method. What has to be put here in these spots above the 7 and the 2? I need zeros there. Okay? Now, much different than the addition that you did for today, you have to put zeros in certain cases. When you're missing place values up top, you always have to add zeros. Underneath, you don't always have to. If you don't know for sure when you're not supposed to have them, then what? Just put them every time. Then you're covered. So I need to do some borrowing. Once I do that, this becomes a 10. Since I borrow from there, this becomes 9. So 2. This becomes a 3 or 13. This is going to become a 2. 4 and 2. Does our estimate match our actual? Close enough, right? If I have to keep borrowing, like I did here in the first place, then if I have to keep borrowing in a row, everything is going to be 1 less than what you thought it was going to be. Let's take a look at try number 4. Estimate. And then find the actual. 3.1. Three minus 2 is going to be 1. Very good. What do we need up top? Zeros. So I'm going to have to borrow again. So 10 minus 6 is 4, right? Then I can't use 10 because I took 1 when I borrowed from here. So 9 equals 2. I borrowed 1 there, so I need to go and, oops, not that one. 1.024. Close enough to our estimate. Five. All right, let's put a 0. 8 minus 3 equals 5. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 2 minus 1, 1. Do I need to bring this to 11 or to 10? It's 11 because I'm okay. 4, there's my decimal, but I do have to bring that down to a 7. So 5.414. Close enough to my estimate. Try number 8. Then if we're okay, then I'm going to set you loose on your homework. Estimate, 4.7 is 5, 1.9 is 2, we're looking at 3. Good. Drop the decimal. 7 minus 9 doesn't work, so I got to make this 17 while taking 1 away from that column. 17 minus 9 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2.8, close enough to 3. Looks good to me. Your assignment, worksheet 1-5. That was just number 8. So let's do numbers 9 through 16. Just the subtraction ones. Okay? Just the subtraction. Do you need the estimate for these? Yes, you do. So again, these will be worth 2 points. I'm going to put a redo up there if you were interested in a redo for the addition. How many problems does it break down to be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 problems that you have for tomorrow, for Monday. Okay, so if you were thinking about the redo, it's a good time to do it because there's not a whole lot of homework. All right, so redo then. Page 27 in your book. Four through 6. So again, are you going to need the estimate for the redo? Yes, you will. Okay. So do the redo and the assignment the same way, and you'll be in good shape.